Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we are using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using and mixing the color of yellow. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. We are again using the color of yellow. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for God. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. And the next one is I for eyes, I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for joker. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for octopus. The next one is P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S. S for snack. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. And the next one is W. And the next one is X. X for Xmas tree. The next one is Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue. And now we are drawing and coloring the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. First we are mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. The alphabet of E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, the next one is numbers. Now we're drawing and coloring numbers 1 to 5. So kids, now we're using the color of red and coloring numbers 1 to 5. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is 2. The number of 2. The next one is 3. The number of 3. Kids, the next one is 4. The number of 4. And the next one is 5. F-I-V-E 5. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we are coloring the shape of triangle and using the color of red. And the next one is circle. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, now we are using the color of yellow. Coloring the shape of circle. And the next one is heart. We are again using yellow color and coloring the shape of heart. Kids, the next one is star. The shape of star. Now we are using the color of green. Now we are using the color of green and coloring star. The shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using green color, the shape of pentagon. And the last one is square, the shape of square. Now we are using the color of green, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.